Well, the main complaint for Republicans is we have broken 250 years of democratic norms. We are locked out of the ability to watch how the ballots are being counted. During the Florida recount, Brian, both sides, the Gore side and the Bush side, were allowed to have a witness at every table where ballots were being tabulated, and they could raise objections. Both camps agreed that that was the right thing to do in a democracy. Why isn't Joe Biden joining with these lawsuits to demand that there's transparency in Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania, in Clark County, one of the most corrupt counties in this country? I tell you what, Brian, if they have nothing to hide and they're not doing anything improper, they have a funny way of showing it. When you don't have anything to hide, you let the cameras in. In Reno, Nevada, they're literally live streaming how every ballot is being tabulated. You can go online and watch it. Why can't they give transparency to what's going on in Clark County? Second of all, there's essentially no signature match. So they have a dirty file where they mailed all these ballots. The ballots are returned, and then the envelopes the ballots were returned in, if they were mailed, are discarded. We can't see any of those envelopes. Now the ballots, these polluted ballots, are in the pile. We don't know what the postmark was. We don't know if they were delivered after the election. This is a disaster. We wouldn't accept these election results if they came from the undeveloped world. When Jimmy Carter and other Americans went to go observe elections in other countries, they were allowed into the counting room. We are not allowed into the counting room in the United States of America.